top creators spend months building content and courses, we built the same system in 7 days using only AI. Part 1, the expert formula, what the top creators do. You've seen the biggest names in the expert game turn their knowledge into empires. Let's look at how the most successful do it. Alex Hormozi, free YouTube videos, book as lead magnet, $100 million plus offer funnel, Vanessa Lau, weekly videos plus reels, free masterclass, evergreen course funnel, Abdaal, free productivity videos, polished paid courses, built over months, Justin Welsh. Content, first solopreneur model, $50 to $150 courses, scripts, records, launches manually. All of them follow the same framework. Content that builds trust, a paid product that delivers transformation, a funnel that sells it while they sleep. But here's the catch. They spend months scripting, filming, editing, and launching. You don't have to. Part 2, the 2025 shift. AI levels the playing field. In 2025, AI gives you the same power without the grind. You don't need a camera, a team, weeks of content production, because now you can teach, build your course, create your funnel, all using AI in days, not months. We did it, and here's how. Part 3, how we did it and how you can too, step by step. At AuthorityVideos, we followed the same expert funnel, but we rebuilt the entire thing with AI and generated 1,000 plus leads in 60 days. Here's how you can do it too. Step 1, define your transformation offer. We focused on how to generate leads with AI video, no filming required. You should start by identifying the number one outcome you help people get. That becomes your course topic, your content hook, and your CTA. Step 2, create valuable content with AI. We scripted and produced weekly shorts and long-form lessons, all using AI. You can do this too. Use AI to generate scripts and voiceover, choose avatar or faceless formats, and post consistently. Every video should answer a real client problem and lead to a clear next step. Step 3, build your AI-powered course. We turned our framework into 5 clear modules, no camera, no voiceover, no burnout. You can turn your expertise into a mini course using the same tools. Use AI to write, narrate, and produce your course content in hours and deliver it behind a simple opt-in or paywall. Step 4, launch with one strong CTA video. We created a 90-second VSL positioned as "Want this built for you." It ran as a skippable YouTube ad and in our funnel. You can do the same, write a compelling offer script with AI, create the video in your style, and attach it to your lead page or calendar. Step 5, repurpose and distribute. We turned every video into multiple formats, shorts, reels, LinkedIn carousels, email sequences. You can use the same AI stack to multiply each piece of content across every platform with minimal effort. The result? 1,000 plus leads, platform signups, paid users, and a lead gen course funnel that runs 24/7, no manual filming required. Part 4, you don't need to be a guru, just use the system. If you're a coach, consultant, creator, expert, service provider, you already have what you need, you've got the knowledge. We'll help you turn it into a complete course, a content engine, a funnel that brings leads and sales on autopilot, and we'll do it with no camera, no burnout, and no wasted months. Part 5, want it built for you? At AuthorityVideos, we now build full AI-powered funnels for coaches and experts like you. Your course, scripted and produced with AI. Your content, avatar, faceless or hybrid. Your VSL Plus CTA. Your automated funnel, all built and launched in just 7 days. Book your free strategy session. We'll map your content, course, and conversion flow and show you how AI does the heavy lifting. I'm Anukul from AuthorityVideos, and around here, it's cool when your course sells, your content builds trust, and your funnel runs itself